In Brandfolder, tags allow you to label your assets with keywords to help make them more searchable. A strong and thorough tagging system improves organization, search, and filtering of assets. To get started using tags, open an asset. In the asset modal, tags are found under the image. Tags with a dashed border are AI-generated, and tags with a solid border were input by a user. To add tags, select Edit. Here you can input additional tags or use the X icon to remove any existing tags. Let's add a tag for postcard so this asset appears whenever searching or filtering for a postcard. You can also select any of the AI-suggested tags to add them to the asset. Select Outdoors. Select Save Changes. You can also add tags in bulk. Select multiple assets. Then select Tag from the Bulk Action toolbar. Here you can manage any tags that the assets have in common or add more tags to both assets. Let's remove the Expire in June tag and add a new tag for our upcoming water campaign. Select Save to save your changes. You can manage all of the tags for your Brandfolder in the Bulk Management page. Select Settings, then select Bulk Management. Select Tags. On the Tags Management page, you can sort the list of tags by asset count or name. You can also use the search bar to search through all tags in your Brandfolder and use the toggle to show or hide AI-generated tags. You can use the pencil icon to edit a tag, and then it will automatically update on each asset. If you select the tag, a new window opens showing all of the assets with that particular tag. And finally, you can use the trash can icon to delete a tag. Remember, tags make searching your Brandfolder much more efficient. You can use the Tags search in the Advanced Filters jar, or you can use search queries such as tags strict and then enter the specific tag in quotation marks. If this is a tag you search for frequently, you can pin the tag to the top of your Brandfolder. Or, if you need to share the search results with a teammate, use the Send icon to share the search link. Now that you know what tags are and how to manage them, you can get started tagging your assets today. Learn more in the Smartsheet Help Center. Thanks for watching.